Hey everybody, welcome to another Pro Acoustics Tech Talk. I'm Nathan, and today we're going to be talking about the Atlas Sound Z4 4-zone sound masking system. This is the Z4 I have here. There's also a Z2, but basically the Atlas Z series is an all-in-one speech privacy solution, and it can also deliver high-quality background music and paging, all from inside of this single device. The Z4 here has 4 zones. The Z2 obviously has 2 zones. This one has 120 watts available. That's 30 watts per zone at 70 volt, and has a variety of different operation and configuration modes we can do. This can do basically an indirect masking up to 7,000 square feet just from this single generator, and can also provide a couple of zones of background music or zones of direct masking as well if needed. This unit can be mounted in a wall, can be mounted surface mount, or there is an optional rack mount kit you can purchase as well. Once installed, you'll find that all the hardware and wiring are located behind the panel. Everything comes from the back, so you get a nice clean look from the front and don't have to worry about anybody messing with the connections in the back. The front panel display also allows you to program and control the device from the front. Meaning you don't have to necessarily get into the software side of the device once being operated, which is great for end user configuration. And also, this device does come with a variety of sound masking filter presets built in for some of the popular Atlas speakers in particular. You can also load custom preset files that you configure in the software on your PC on the front panel USB port. You also do have Bluetooth linking as well. There are some other cool proprietary modes built in that I want to go over. There is a speech privacy enhancement mode, which actually allows you to engage whenever a meeting is in progress, which can be paired to some of their hardwire signage and actually be triggered via an app as well if desired. And basically the concept is that when you're in that enhanced speech privacy mode, you can set it to raise up the masking to a louder volume to kind of protect very, very sensitive content or that kind of thing. You also do have the signage that I mentioned, as well as the ability to make the adjustments on the app. And you also have the noise generators built right into the device. So you can select between pink noise and white noise and that kind of thing independently on some of the individual zones. You also have mic and line inputs for paging or recorded messages, as well as the Bluetooth wireless, as well as a wired input, 3.5 millimeter stereo for plugging in background music. And then even an option for what they call vocal priority, meaning if we need to do any paging, hook up a feed from your phone system or from a paging mic, you can set it to where it'll lower the masking and whatnot, all from this individual device here. We also have independent volume control and EQ for every zone, as well as volume levels for each zone. That means, if we want, masking in the all areas of the doctor's office, but we want this kind of music playing in the lobby, this kind of music playing in the individual rooms, we can definitely set it that way. All of that is built into the software here on this device to make it very simple and easy to use, as well as even having independent system commissioning and ramping in each zone. That means, if you got a sales floor that gets kind of rowdy after lunch, you can set it to where it always gets a little bit louder for your masking to better kind of improve everybody's quality of life. Or if you want to turn it down at the night, into the night so it doesn't mess with the security system. All of those features are built into this small little box right here. One of our favorite units for doing complicated sound masking without needing a PhD in psychoacoustics to understand how to work it. If you got questions about this device or want to check it out or want to need any help with putting together a masking system, feel free to reach out to us at www.proacousticsusa.com. And until next time, guys, I'm Nathan. Take care.